Monday recipe is a super green immunity smoothie. So in this recipe, we're going to be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way greens powder, which is rich in superfoods, nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants to support your immunity. I'm going to be using a handful of baby spinach. I'm going to be using 1 kiwi fruit, and I'm actually going to use the skin on because it increases the fiber, which is great. I'll be using half a green apple, half a zucchini, a few ice cubes, and I've got 1 cup of filtered water, but you can also use coconut water for this recipe as well. Now, to make it, just chuck everything into your blender and blend it on high until it's nice and smooth and creamy.